Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your Rainbird Sprinkler System Wi-Fi compatible and accessible from your cell phone. And I'll also save you $200 along the way. You can thank me later. Let's get started. You'll need a Rainbird esp-me series controller, strong Wi-Fi, a cell phone with capabilities to download applications, and a Rainbird LNK Wi-Fi module. From the home screen on your cell phone, click the App Store icon. In the search bar, type Rainbird and then select Rainbird app. Click Get and follow the instructions on your phone to install the application. Click Open to access the application and ensure that it has been properly installed. After the application has been installed, proceed to your Rainbird esp-me series controller and open the cover door. On the inside of the cover door, you will see an area that reads Remote Accessories. This is where your Rainbird LNK Wi-Fi module will go. Insert the LNK Wi-Fi module into the accessory port. After the Rainbird LNK Wi-Fi module has been inserted into the accessory port, you should see a flashing light. Now go back to your cell phone and click on the Rainbird application that you opened a while ago and click the Add Controller button. Then click the plus sign to the left of the controller that you have. I have the Rainbird esp-me series controller. Then select an option according to the color of the light that you saw flashing on your Rainbird LNK Wi-Fi module. My flashing light was blue. You can then proceed to set up your controller. You will be prompted to enter a 4-character password for your controller. After you've created your 4-character password, you will be required to confirm if you're connecting your controller to your local Wi-Fi source. Select Yes and then select OK. Select your local Wi-Fi name from the provided list, key in your password, and then press OK to give Rainbird access to your internet service. Then select Yes to set up your controller. You have the option to send yourself an email with your controller connection details. If you're still with me, congratulations! Not only have you saved yourself $200, go ahead and get those new shoes. You have also made your Rainbird Sprinkler System Wi-Fi compatible and accessible from your cell phone. You can now control your sprinkler system even if you're not home. Have a great day and thanks for watching. And remember, you can always do it yourself.